Welcome to the world of phonics. We are learning basic sounds. Let us learn vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are also known as diphthongs. R, start, car, park, far, smart, sharp, market, part. Start the class. This is our car. Park is big. My house is far. Ashok is smart. Anu is sharp. We go to market. Part of the body. All, call, tall, ball, wall, small, stall, fall. All of you go. Call Manu. Sahana is tall. Ravi's wall. This is a wall. Small pencil. A fruit stall. Don't fall. Off. Lawn. Yawn. Shawl. Draw. Pawn. Drawn. Crawl. Dawn. I sat on lawn. Don't yawn. Use the shawl. Draw the map. Move the chess pawn. Picture is drawn. Baby crawls. Dawn is bright. Like, share, subscribe.